I used to produce big broilers, but they don't have weight. My broilers are big, old, but they don't have weight. I have very good height broilers. They are very tall, but they don't have weight. If this is the type of case you always face, many farmers struggle to make profit from broilers last season. Solutions to stay successful. You are among the farmers that says their broilers are very big, but they are not heavyweight. They don't have enough weight that is commensurate with their size. This video is for you. You used to produce broilers. Their broilers will be of feather everywhere. When you lift them up, they will be as light as cotton. This particular video is also for you. This is why many farmers struggle to make profit from broilers last season. Key reasons and solutions to stay successful. I went to one of our markets very close to my farm here. I discovered that some people have big broilers, but when you lift the broilers up, they don't have weight at all. And based on that, people don't buy such bird. What people are buying is not the age of the broiler or the feather. What they are buying is the weight, and what make up the weight is the meat. If you like, rear your broiler for 5 years, and if it doesn't have weight, someone that just reared within 5 weeks will make more profit than you. In this particular video, I want to give you reasons why you will have big broilers and they will have low weight, and reasons why you don't make profit. Number one is stocking broilers too early and getting tired of feeding them before the market, leading to weight loss. Some farmers stock their broilers very early. Broiler they will sell in December, they will stock it on October. Their aim is to make sure they have very old looking broilers. They will start bombarding them with feeding them very well, appropriately. The whole of October, the whole of November, first week of December, they are getting tired. Maybe they don't have enough money. By then, the cost of feed have increased and they don't have enough stock to continue feeding the broilers the same way. These broilers will start losing weight. Even the weight they have already gained, they will drop it before the market day. On the market day, they will come out with big old broilers but no weight. People will lift them up and drop them and go and buy young broilers that have weight. That's why some people will make. I know some farmers here in this market, they were busy. They were struggling to sell their broilers. These broilers are looking, all the head of the broilers are looking very reddish in color. But still, nobody's buying them because they don't have weight. The owners got tired of feeding them before the market, leading to weight loss. Secondly, poor feed quality affecting growth and overall health. Many farmers use low quality feed. If you are relying only on commercial feed, you may not make enough broiler weight because some of the feed in the market are compromised unless you make your own feed. Quality feed, standard feed that will give you the result you need. I know I bought one fish meal here. This fish meal is used in producing most of the commercial feed. The fish meal is feed of sand. It's not even smelling fishy at all. Even when the fish meal has been here for long, no rat even come closer. Instead of the rat to eat the fish meal, they will even prefer eating stones and wood to tell you that it's not fish meal. And when they use that kind of fish meal to produce feed for you, it's not going to work. The nutritional value is not there because it is mixed up with sand. So most of the commercial feed you are buying have been compromised. So you need to make your own feed based on the quality standard you set for yourself, and this will give you the better result. Another one is inadequate biosecurity measures resulting in disease outbreak. Once you have any disease outbreak in your farm, those poultry birds will hardly meet up with the age also. So you want to sell your birds in 8 weeks and there is outbreak after 4 weeks. They will start suffering before you cure them. Even after curing them, they will not be able to recover before the market day. That's why most of the times you will not be able to make profit. Another one is overcrowding in the poultry house, causing stress and reduced performance. Once you overstock your poultry pen, you are going to have the consequences of other casualties, high mortality, or stressful birds that may not eat. Once the birds are overstressed, they will not be able to eat well. And if they don't eat well, they don't have anything to convert for you. What they convert is the feed they have eaten. And if they don't eat well, how would they convert what they have not eaten? That's why most of the times you see them dropping in weight on a regular basis to the extent that they will start dying one by one. So if you are stocking, please check the professional standard for that particular pen so that you will not overstock. They should have space to move around. They should have space also. Overstocking causes a lot of hazard. Another one is delayed or incomplete vaccination schedule. If you don't vaccinate them well, they may contact viral infection, and viral infections are difficult or not even curable. They will live with it, and in as much as they are living with that viral infection, they cannot get themselves till the market day. Another one is lack of proper financial planning and record keeping. You need to plan very well. If you are stocking 100 broilers, please know the quantity of feed they will eat for the period of time you want to rear them. Know the daily quantity of feed each of the broiler will eat on daily basis till the market day. Prepare this feed and keep the feed, make the feed available for them so that when they are growing, you are still feeding them. Don't depend on income or your salary or loan. Please make sure there's available finance before you even stock. That's another. Failure to monitor market trends and demand before production. Before you stock, please know the demand for that particular product so that you will not produce what people don't need. If you produce poultry bird that people will not consume in your locality, it means you will struggle to sell it. And once you are struggling to sell it, they will not buy it at the right time. And that's going to overkeep them in your pen. And you continue feeding them. As you are feeding them, because you will not be happy feeding them because they ought to have been sold. And once you didn't sell them, you will not be happy with them any longer. That will make you to compromise the feed quantity and quality. And this at the same time is going to cause deterioration in their weight and growth. Another one is ignoring water quality and availability to the birds. Water is very important. Good quality water that has all the necessary properties is very important for them. If you don't provide good water for them, they will not eat well. And if they don't eat well, they will not grow well also. Next, checks and veterinary intervention. Please don't play with their health. Always monitor your birds on daily basis. Every morning, come out and check the movement of the birds. The ones that are sluggish, separate them from others. And make sure you have a consultant that help you to check the birds. Don't depend on your expertise alone. Another one, selling birds at the wrong time or mixing peak market prices. Every poultry bird have the peak time to sell them. Sell them at the peak time, the time they have the maximum weight. That's when you need to sell them so that you get the best profit. If you are selling them at the odd time, you will not make it. Please, it's very important. Please put all this guide into consideration. You are going to make it in the next batch. After putting all this into consideration, if you found this video very interesting, give it a thumb up, share this video to reach more farmers, and if you have any contribution towards the particular content, now drop it on the comment section. Let's deliberate on it, please. If you have any challenges in your poultry or livestock farm, tell me on the comment section. Let's know how we are going to tackle it together. Thank you once again. Share this video till I come your way with another interesting video very soon. For now, I say bye.